So it doesn't really want to drift the corner until you get out of it, and it gets... That's a true. Oh, that's not good. What's up, guys? Talk's Gamer, and today I'll be playing some more car mechanic simulator. And the reason why nothing has gone up all last week is because I have a cold or something, and I kind of wanted it to go away before I started to record again. So some orders going in. My car has been poorly lately. Would you check what condition the brakes are in? Sure. Probably need new pads. I was kind of hoping it would go away, so I'm not sniffling for about, I don't know, like 40 minutes. Especially, it wouldn't be too pleasing for the people that use headphones while watching my videos. So I'm going to be sniffling in your ear for about, good God, 40 minutes. Okay, you need like brake discs, calipers, and pads. You need the whole 9 yards. Yeah, alrighty. Did this shit pop like the 4th of July? Okay, I thought something was the cat too, but nope. Alright. Take all this shit off. See if we can fix it. And if we can repair it, then it saves it. No. Okay, it's junk. Goodbye. Let me fix this. Okay. We don't need brake caliper for that side. We need a left front brake disc. We're gonna need a right front brake disc. We're gonna need... For sure we need rears too. Yeah. Rear brake disc, rear right, rear left. Alright. Whoa. No, not now. End of day. God damn. Yeah, really tiring. All I did was take a freaking brake caliper and about to take disc off, and special race available. No. I want to finish this. No. Yeah. One side done. We need right front brake caliper. Rear front right. These nasty brake calipers out of here that have no brake pads in them. That's why you can't stop. Just gonna throw all the new Did I get a rear? Yeah, I have a rear. No, that's a front. Okay, can we fix this? Yes, we can. Throw that back on. There we go. Now we just gotta do the rears. Get these going and see if we can repair them. If not, no big deal. Jump. See if we repair the brake caliper itself. Okay, saving a little bit of money there. One more side. Yes, I know the brake caliper has to come off. Boom. Newbie. Let's repair the brake caliper. And there you go. Order complete. Now you can stop. Finally, this car is braking. Thanks. Well, you had a no brake calipers in one of them, so that might also be your issue. Level 7. You got something that looks like a Volkswagen, can be purchased. And some engine parts. We can see what the car dealers have, if anything good. If not, then we got BMW. Class Sport engine is an i6. Rear-wheel driving is 100%. See what the other one has. Oh, looks cool. Classic engine i6 ITB, rear-wheel driving 100%. Not bad at all. I really wish this cold would go away. We could have a special race available too, so we're gonna hop on that. Let's go. Oh shit. We're in a BMW. This reminds me of the BMW from Need for Speed for some reason. Oh, we're hanging it out there. Ish. This thing sound. Oh my god, this is a drift car. Okay. Oh, don't crash. I look like I'm drunk. No tires, just the sounds of the tires sliding the pavement. Don't turn. Whoa. Oh, that's not good. No, front end of this thing is destroyed. After smacking the stand or whatever that was. Whoa. It's like it doesn't really want to drift the corner until you get out of it, and then it gets... That's a tree. They're gonna like black flag me and get me off the track. Yeah. Oh, that car handles all sorts... English? All sorts of weird. We'll give it one more shot. Yeah, it doesn't really want to drift when you go into the corner, but once you get out of it, then it gets all sorts of squirrely. I don't understand. Backwards, I don't know how you think it would handle. The turbo noise, though, I like. Let's not hit a tree this time. Let's try not to slide it, because obviously that's not going to help us any at all. Now we have a feel for it. Oh, don't go on the grass. Bad idea. Bad idea, alright. I don't have different camera angles. Oh, brakes. I came in that corner a little high. We have 7 at least. We should barely finish. Get out of the grass. No, that's not a good idea. Thermal strip. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on. Heyo. Only took me a second try. But we got it done. Yeah, it's nice. See if I can use this as a thumbnail. It gives me a good... There we go. Ah, you have to use real money. That's shit. I mean, it looks pretty good. It handles all sorts of wacky, but good nonetheless. What do the auctions have? Well, there's only one as of right now. I'll take a look. Nothing that I really want. Let's get some more orders going. Calendar thing. Love it. How many do I have? 4? Unlock. Signature track. And I don't know what that clock does. I don't know if it gives us more time. Get that too. And I'll get this as well. There we go. Slowly but surely getting there. Now will it let me? The shop does not accept new orders on holidays. Change this by last skill on the upgrades window. Oh, well, I didn't even know it was a holiday. Okay, cool. So it looks like if we want to do anything else, we gotta go to an auction. I didn't know it was a goddamn holiday. Okay. Alright, let's get one of these things. Fix it up, sell it. Ooh, we got the classic. Let me see what kind of shape it's in. Ooh, I mean, does it look bad? Currently in workshop. I'm gonna drive it. Can't take it for a okay, you're right. Let's say, let's take it for a test drive, but no, God forbid. Workshop. Now let's see what's all wrong with this thing. Okay, right. We got some rust we're gonna have to take care of. As if we want to be able to sell this. This is not it. Nobody, I want no rusty car. Then we gotta paint. Metallic. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh yeah, that blue looks real good. Alrighty, now do we want to dive into the chassis, or do we want to dive into the engine? Our chassis has an orange X on it, so finish, I guess. Sunday, day 14. Halloween race will begin tomorrow. Be sure it's not even October yet. It's still goddamn August. Not seeing anything. Brakes look good. Does it need a battery? Does it need a transmission? I'm confused on what I need to do to this thing because everything looks fine. Doesn't need any mufflers. Now we're gonna do this because I don't know. Boom, beautiful. Okay, I did not know what was wrong with it, so I just threw one of our repair kit things at it, and there we go. Okay, let's see how much work the engine needs. So it looks like we're gonna need an oil pan. That's about it. Can we fix said oil pan? Save you from having to buy a new one. No, we cannot. Okay. Garbage. I need parts store. Oil pan. Oil pan. Yes. There we go. That wasn't bad at all. And damn, this thing looks nice. And we're down to 22,817. We were up into like the 30s, I seen before we bought this thing. So not bad at all. It looks relatively nice. I like that blue. The blue was the move on this one. For sure. Alright. Sell car. Let's sell it. Auction value. There we go. Up to 41,000. There we go. That's what I like to see. Go back to the city map. Now, is our shop open or is it another holiday? Your shop does not accept orders on holidays. Okay, good. You could do urgent, I guess. I recently purchased this car and I'm afraid I may have somewhat... Take a peek, please, and fix any problems. Okay, good. You bought a car and you didn't go and look at it to begin with. That's fantastic. We got a Corvette. Doesn't look like it has much rust on it. Okay. Pairs. We're gonna get the angle grinder out and get this rust gone. Boom. Now we're gonna paint it. Ooh, that looks good. What is this dark red? Ooh, yes. We're going with the dark red on this one. It looks real nice. Nice C5. Or 4, I don't know. One of the two. You need brakes and trailing arms. That's it. You could have done this yourself, my guy. It is not a whole lot. I have to do this thing. Take the brake calipers off. Let's see if we can repair these brake discs. Save us a little bit of cash. No, I cannot repair them. It says to recycle them. So not saving those ones. Alrighty, I need... What is this, left rear? Left front, brake disc, left rear. I'm sorry. Brake disc, left rear. Is that not the left-hand side of the vehicle? It is. Why? Okay, apparently. God damn it. We good now? Now we're good. This has happened to me in a little bit. Alrighty, let's try this again. Rear right. Let's see if that one's it. Yep. You know, it's the left-hand side of the vehicle, but okay. Hey, you having a cold. Okay, we need another trailing arm. Unless we could fix this one. Chances are not. I don't think we're going to be able to fix it. No, we need another... Oh, we can. Okay, cool. I think we're going to be able to. This shock absorber has to come out. Come on, today. Alright. Rear right shock absorber. Oh yeah, just try to repair it. Scrap. Rear right, I need... I don't think we've had to change the gas tank yet. To finish. Your workshop weekly income is... that's pretty decent. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Now we move on to this side, which is just the brake caliper. And if we can repair it, then that'll save us a little bit of money. Ooh. Okay. Slap that baby on there and we're all good to go. Now let's see what's wrong with the engine. Belt has to come off. Oil pan's okay. And let's see if there's anything else that I need to replace. Air filter's okay. Spark plugs. Those are okay. Okay. Oil pump has to come out. Can we repair it? We can. Sweet. Doing this shit like it's NASCAR, damn it. Okay, I'm already at a loss on this car anyway, but at least I'm at peace with its condition. Thank you. Well, if you were at a loss with that, I should have fixed it to begin with. Better drive this. Orders. The engine is running something, and this is making me late with my food deliveries. Please help me and fix this engine. I will try to return the favor. I don't know what that means, but okay. I'm a mechanic, not your phone. 86, nice, nice. Initial D up in this. Oh. I like the color of the valve cover though. You need like a new pulley. V-belt. Yes, can I fix it? No, okay. Scrap. We need V-belts. This, yes. Slap this back on. Thermostat has to come off. Can we fix the thermostat? Ooh, we can. Okay, cool. We need to take intake off. Intake manifold, but the fuel rail has to come off. Okay, fuel rail. Come on. Intake manifold. Beautiful. Okay. Ooh, nice and shiny. I think we're gonna have to take the intake off to take the head off this thing. Okay. Imagine we have to take the injectors out. Valve cover. Oh, you need like a brand new top end, my guy. I need a brand new head on this thing. My cam has to come out. The dual overhead. Timing belt has to come off. Timing chain, not belts. Okay, I have to take off the oil pump. Now we're getting into having to take like the entire engine apart for this shit. Finish. Okay, timing chain out. And manifold. Go. Spark plugs have to come out as well. Oh boy, okay, let's see what we can fix. So, water pumps and negative. Actually, yes, that's fine. Okay, let's see if we can fix these. Beautiful. Slap that back on. Spark plugs. I don't know how you would repair spark plugs, but okay. We need spark plug. Here we go. Some spark plugs in. And we need our cam. We'll repair it. Beautiful. Now, timing chain. Pressure intake can go on now. Fuel rail can go on. Coils. Ignition coils. Are they good or bad? Oh, okay. We need new ignition coils. There we go. The spark plugs are in, I don't understand. Put water pump belts. Exhaust manifold. Now I have to take the cams out to put the ignition coils in. That'd be kind of stupid now. Okay, I kind of figured. Why can't I put the ignition coils in? Or does... There we go. I gotta go. Alright, that sounds pretty damn good. Let's see how she handles. Not bad, not bad. Getting a little drifty real quick. Suspension's good. Yeah, 180. Oh, out of the grass. PTSD from that special race. From going in the grass. It's sort of a little wonky, but okay. Whoa. Lame. Damn, that was that was a special order too. I had to do quite a bit for that one. I don't know, I just haven't seen a car that I'd want to keep yet. This dealer. Nothing, yeah, nothing really. Okay. I just yelled at them, Jesus. That will do it there, guys. Getting some special orders done, oh my god. Like I was saying, that will do it there, guys. Getting some special orders done, having to do a pretty extensive repair on that guy's 86, which we haven't had to do before, so that was kind of cool. And getting some normal orders in, and buying a car from the auction and fixing it up, selling it. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.